Good morning, fam. We out here at the Myakka Gun Club and Archery Club Range out here in Manatee County, Florida. About to get it started. They open up in about 10 minutes. We do our thing out here in the range. Got all kinds of companies out here. See if we got Barrett, RD, several down here still setting up and everything. We're about to do this. About to rock out. I'm about to do the 1,000-yard challenge with the 50 cal later on today, and I'll give you all the information that you need. I'll see you later.